Good morning. We will see multiplication table in while loop. See, this is the output I am expecting. See, so I am taking as this is the input. Why? Because we need multiplication table as 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it is. I am taking this as a number. Then second thing is, see here, the variables are increasing here. See, 1 to 10. That's why I'm taking this as a I. Why? Because I need to write in a while loop. I. Then finally, see here, the third part is this. What I can write here, number into I. So if I write number into I, if I take number equal to 4 means 4 into 1, 4 into 2. Into means it will multiply the number. Say remaining star equal to are the fixed. Then we can write it in a logic. How to write it? As for the while loop initialization, we need to go for int I equal to 1. We are starting with 1. See, we are starting the multiplication with 1. This is the 1. Where we need to go? Second thing, while I less than or equal to 10. Then what we need to do here? We need to increment. Next step, we need to increment up to 10. 1 is the starting. It will go to the logic up to 10. We will test the one case. For example, I am taking as a fourth table, number equal to I think enter your number means number equal to 4. It will check first, then it will come to the while loop. What is the while loop? I less than or equal to 10. I less than or equal to, then 2 less than or equal to. It will check up to 10. Then automatically it will return the value. Then finally we need to say this is the output. How we can write this output means, for example, I'm taking this as a n comma I comma n into I. As for the three instructions, every time for n I'm giving percentage of d comma percentage of d into percentage of d equal to, automatically we can see this slash n. What is the meaning of slash n? Means it will go to the new line. If you write the same logic in your while loop, automatically you can get the multiplication table. We will see same in this turbo. While new, write your logic dash include stdio dot h, then void main. Next thing is we need to go for the variable declaration. I am taking into number I. This is enough. And printf enter your multiplication, number. Then automatically we need to scan this. Scanf. We already taken this as a decimal. Percent of semicolon. Then write your initialization. What I am taking I equal to 1. I am starting the loop with I equal to 1 because multiplication starts with the 1. 1 I less than or equal to 10. Like, open the bracket. What I need to write here, printf percentage of d into 2 into percentage of d equal to, again, the slash n. Everything we need to put it in double quotation, comma, first d belongs to n, comma, second one belongs to n into I equal to, again we need to write n into I. So then automatically you need to write I plus plus. You need to go for the increment. Then finally you need to write the get ch. Close the main. Go to the file. Save the file. File as .c. Save the file. Compile. There is an error. Line 10. Symbol n. Okay, fine. So this is not n. This is number. Press F2 for save. Again compile the file. It is another. Okay, fine. Here also we need to write the number. Again compile the file. Yes, there is no errors. Run. Yes, it will ask enter your multiplication number. I want fifth table. See, this is the fifth table. Enter again. So I want to go for the why, because we are scanning the all the documents. Again run. I want 12th table. So this is the 12th table. So fine. Then automatically I'm quitting. You can take any value from this. Right, exit. Fine. If you have any doubts, just mention your comment.